Have you always wanted to switch to green cleaning? Now is your chance with our helpful video tips. Subscribe, like and comment for more. Want to make your bathroom a cleaner place? This video can teach you the right cleaning method. Vinegar to the rescue in cleaning the bathroom. Cleaning the bathroom is no easy feat, especially when you consider the fact that there are specialized tasks to take care of there. Yet, you don't need to use harsh chemicals to address the job. Only vinegar. Many people use bleach for cleaning the bathroom, but vinegar is actually a lot better. It still gets the job done, only without the dangerous fumes released by bleach. Simply mix a solution of 50% vinegar and 50% water in a spray bottle. Spray it on the surfaces of your bathroom and let it sit for a few minutes. The solution will work its magic on the tiles and make wiping the soiled areas a piece of cake. This all-purpose spray will help you immensely in cleaning other areas of your home. So stay tuned with us to find even more helpful uses of it.